YouTube. I wanted to show you some of my monster trucks today. And here's two of them, and I have two more over here. So we have Zombie, NEA Police, Monster My Dalmatian, and Gravedigger. So we're gonna see how they do on these cars. Well, they don't go up before I drop one. So they don't really do it too good, but I found a way on YouTube. You can make fresh cars out of foil. So I'm going to do that right now to show you how to do it. If you want to do it, you can. I just cut off a little piece. Simply just mold it around the car. And then when you're done molding it, you can kind of see, you can take it out. And that's back. And that's what it will look like. Like that. Now these are not only the monster trucks, these are called Revs, and these are not the only ones I have. And it's crushed. So just like that, we used aluminum foil. And bye bye YouTube. Please subscribe.